Myself, Shashank. I've completed my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering and BNM IT. And after completion of my graduation, I joined JSpiders for core Java course. And after joining here in JSpiders Basavanagudi, I learned a lot about getting into IT industry and gained some valuable knowledge. Like I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the excellent teaching and training Uday sir, Manoj sir, Raghu sir, and Shishira sir has provided. Your dedication, expertise, and patience have been instrumental in my learning journey. Thank you for making complex topics understandable and always being supportive. Your efforts have made a significant impact on growth and development. I would also like to appreciate the efforts made by the HR team, and I would like to thank everyone. Thank you.